Hey folks, Doug with OilTradingPros.com, your recap for September 18th, 2012. Had a few trades go off today. 500 is what we pulled in. I'll go through these here real quick. Go back to it. Okay, starting off with the first trade was, here we go. We had a nice couple wicks down here at the approaching a key level that we, with some elevated volume, that we got in on for a long. Took our first contract off at 10 ticks, and then our second one we took off up here. We got into 81 and 82, 95, 81 and 82 on these, and then that first one was at 10 ticks at 91, and the second one from 82 up to 96.09 that we pulled in. After the open here, we had a 930 setup long that we got in at 96.07, and took that off. We only took 4 ticks in this first one, only because it looked like it was playing out real nicely at first, but then it kind of slammed back down. It was sitting, almost stopped us out down here actually, and then it kind of came back, started to pull back up. We were about 7 or 8 ticks in the money. We had our first target at 10, and then it slammed back down again, and it was looking pretty negative, like it wasn't really going to follow through. So I just took one off at 4, trying to secure a little profit, and then it did end up turning around and moving up. Once it came up here, we were looking for it to actually break these swing highs, but never could. It never did. And then with this candle over here, we had adjusted our stop up to a few ticks in the money, and this candle with these huge wicks on both ends, it just swung down and whipped us out here, and then eventually it did move higher, but it was really whipping around. This was a tough trade to manage just because of how much it was bouncing around. There really wasn't any, it wasn't like solid movement. It was just a lot of whip action, and then eventually it did move pretty good. We actually were looking at our first target up here right around 63. It came up to 62. Other than that, we did have one trade in ES. Let me pull that one up here real quick. It's my ES chart. Right here. Okay, so we had it was coming down to these levels that we had marked out. 49.75 is what we were looking at getting in. Actually, right between these two levels, 51 and 49.75. We took a long at 50.25. Took a few ticks of heat, and then it came up here. Got our first target at 1 point, and then our stop had adjusted to break even. And on this long wick here, we got whipped out for that second contract. I was looking for this movement that we did end up getting, but if we wouldn't have got this wick here, we would have been able to catch all of that, but unfortunately it didn't work out. So those were the 3 trades that we took today. After that, we didn't really have anything else set up for the rest of the afternoon. Like I said, 500 is what we took in on the day. Not a bad day at all. All these trades are called out live in our trade room. When you join our trade room, you can see our charts exactly as we see them. We call out these trades as they occur. You can sign up for a free trial to our trade room through the website, OilTradingPros.com. Click the live trade room tab. There's a subscribe button. You'll get a few days in the room totally free of charge, so you can check us out, see if you like what we're doing here, ask questions live, and after that 3 days, there's a small monthly fee. But if you cancel before the 3 days, there's no charge. So you can check out our website, OilTradingPros.com. If you had any questions about any of the trades that we took, or you want more information about the free trial, just shoot us an email, oiltradingpros@yahoo.com. You can also find that contact info right here under Contact Us. The emails will be listed here as well. So thanks for watching recap video. Any questions, shoot us an email, and otherwise have a nice day.